Hello, my angels, my dears. I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. Now, I know it's been such a long time since I made a Techniques Tuesday, but I want to get back into the swing of things. As I continue to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, I'll be making chimichurri. Later on, maybe a week or so or less, I'll be making something to dip into that chimichurri. So let's go into the kitchen. Let's get right into the kitchen, get started on this chimichurri. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. I got a chance to use my Cuisinart coffee/spice grinder to grind up my arbor peppers. If you'd rather not do this step, you can buy the ground up peppers somewhere in the supermarket. No. Thank you for watching today's Techniques Tuesday. If you come back on the next video, I'll show you what I'm making to dip into this chimichurri. If you enjoyed what you saw today, subscribe to my channel so you'll see more. Make sure your notification bells are turned on so you won't miss any new videos. And if you like this video, give me a like, please. That's a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think of it. Let me know if there's any recipes you'd like me to try. And as always, please be the blessing to someone. And many blessings and much favor until we meet again.